Hello everyone. Today we are starting with class 10th maths chapter 11 construction exercise 11.2 question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So we will go as per the instruction. First of all, we are asked to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So let us take the 3 centimeter arc on the radius compass. Here we have drawn a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Now let us draw a diameter. Here we have drawn a diameter. Now we are asked to take the 7 centimeter from the center on both the side of the center. Here we have measured the arc 7 centimeter and cut an arc here also. Now mark this point as P and Q. Now we are asked to draw the tangent from these 2 points. So the steps are same as we have done in the question number 1. First of all, mark this center as O. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ by taking more than half of the radius, half of the length of this OQ. So you can see that I have taken more than half of this length OQ. Now draw 2 arcs up and down of OQ from point Q, and thus from point A again we will do the same method. By taking now O as center, draw 2 arcs up and down of OP, and again with the same radius from point P we will draw the 2 points. Okay, now we will join these 2 points as well as these 2 points so that we will get the perpendicular bisector of both the OP and OQ. Now by taking this as center, let us mark this as O1 and this as O2. By taking O1 as center, put the rounder point at O1 and pencil point on O. By taking, you can see like this. Okay, measure this by using rounder, and I have drawn the 2 arcs on the previous circle, the first circle, so that I will get the 2 points. Now again from O2 measure this distance, that will be same because the length distance is same. Okay, now again draw 2 points. You can draw the complete circle or you can only take the 2 arc on the circle. Now join P to these 2 points and from Q also. Like this. Here we have drawn the 2 tangents from P and Q. Mark this point as A, B, C and D. So here we will write PA, PB are 2 tangents from point P, and QC, QD are 2 tangents from point Q. So this is how we will complete this question. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.